How to fix ChatGPT unable to upload file. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're having trouble with ChatGPT and getting the unable to upload file error, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to fix this issue in just few minutes. So let's dive right in. First thing first, make sure your Chrome browser is up to date. Here's how you do it. Open your Chrome browser and click on three dots in the top right corner. Next, go to settings and on the left side click on About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If there is an update available, it will download it. Once it's done, click on Relaunch to finish the update. Great. Now that we have updated Chrome, let's move on to the next step. The next step is to clear ChatGPT cache files. This can help resolve any lingering issues. Here's how you do it. In Chrome, go back to Settings, click on Privacy and Security on the top left side. Then, click on Third-Party Cookies. Scroll down and select See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search bar, type OpenAI or you can simply select ChatGPT. You will see the data related to ChatGPT. Click on the trash icon to clear it. Don't worry, this won't delete your previous chat. It only locks you out from your ChatGPT. Now, next thing, you need to go to the settings and you need to go to site settings. Once you have done that, you need to give some permissions. Here, allow the permission to JavaScript and then to images. Once you have done that, this might help you resolve the problem. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.